Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on ANSYS Workbench tutorials. In this session, we are going to analyze the compression bone plate for steady state thermal analysis. We will start by double clicking on steady state thermal. We'll first go to engineering data. In this version of ANSYS 18.1 that I'm using, the material that is required for analysis of compression bone plate, that is stainless steel 316 grade, is not available. So I'm going to create the material. In case in the version that you are using, this grade is available, you can directly choose the material. So I will give the material property of isotropic thermal conductivity. The value is 17 watt per meter degree Celsius. I'll go to project and update project. Next I'll go to geometry and right click. I will import the geometry. Then I'll go to model and double click on it. I'll first go to geometry and allocate the material. Next I'll go to mesh and I'll change the sizing to fine and update. Next I'll go to steady state thermal and I'll insert temperature. This value will be 37 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of the human blood. Next I'll insert convection. I'll choose the entire body and apply. I'll give the film coefficient as 10 watt per mm square degree Celsius. Next I'll go to solution and insert thermal temperature. I want to see the heat distribution over the body, and also I'll insert thermal total heat flux. Then I'll go to solution and solve. This is the temperature distribution over the plate. The maximum value we have given is 37 degrees Celsius. You can see that this temperature over here is approximately 19 to 21 degrees Celsius, and the end where we have given 37, it is showing in color red, and the highest value is shown here. So that's how the heat distribution takes place over the body. So one end we are assuming is in contact with blood, which is 37 degrees Celsius, and the other end over here is stay connected to the bone. So how the heat transfer will take place is what we are seeing. But you need to note that this is steady state thermal analysis. This is not time bound. So this is just showing you the temperature, but which is going to remain steady over a period of time. But this is not actually what happens when a plate is fixed inside. Over a period of time, you will see the transfer of heat, and also you will see the rise of temperature. We will see that analysis in some other session. Currently, here we are seeing only the steady state thermal aspect of it. And here we can see the total heat flux over the body. The highest value is 0.56111. You can see here at this end. And the minimum value you can see is 0.0013578 watt per mm square at the other end. That's where the blood is not in contact. So that's how the heat flux is taking place. Heat flux is the amount of heat flowing per unit area. So you can see that over this area, this is the heat flow over the plate. So that's a very simple analysis of this compression bone plate, considering the temperature and the heat flow over it. So with this, I end the session. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.